Everyone, we are going to do 3 lessons just like in the last, or 3 videos just like in the last lesson, where we're going to look at tables that progressively get a little bit more difficult. This first table that we're going to look at, we are going to turn this table into an equation. So our job is to write an equation in slope-intercept form for this information. So looking at this information, we need to find a few things. This is like an emerging level problem, by the way. So this is a problem that I feel like a 6th grader could probably handle if they sort of knew the process. So looking at this problem, I'm always going to start either finding my slope or the y-intercept. But if I start by finding the slope, I'm going to look at the y values first. So from -1 to 1, we're increasing by 2. From 1 to 3, we're increasing by 2, increasing by 2, increasing by 2. If we look at our x values, we're increasing by 1 each time. And so I'm just going to lay out all of the information that I can possibly find within this table to set myself up for success for finding an equation. So looking at this, I found a rise, essentially my y values are my rise versus my x values are my run. So if I were to write my slope, knowing that it's rise over run, I have 2, my change in my y values, 2 over my change in my x values of 1. So I'd write this as 2 over 1, or I could say my slope is 2. What's also nice is this table is awesome in that it gives me my y-intercept right away. In this table, I know if I can find the x value being 0, its corresponding y value is my y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 3. And so now I can create my equation. Y equals 2x plus 3. This equation matches these numbers. And if we wanted to check our work, we could. We could put any value of x into this equation and we should pop out the corresponding y. So if I put 1 into this equation and said 2 times 1 plus 3, 2 times 1 plus 3, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. Great. I could put in -1 to make sure it works with negative numbers as well. 2 times -1 is -2 plus 3 is 1. Which is what I get in my table. So this particular equation, or this particular table, is a nice starter table for us, and we're able to get this equation of 2x plus 3. We are going to look at 2 more videos that are going to get progressively more difficult. The next one is more of a developing level problem, and then after that we will have a proficient level problem. Be sure to watch the next 2 videos before you do the must-do problems. Thanks for watching.